Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete or turn off parental controls on your mobile or Android phone. So let's head over to Play Store, and from here, just click on your profile icon, then click on Settings. Next is just head over to Family, then click on Parental Controls. As you can see, parental controls are on, and all you have to do is switch it off. Just enter your PIN, and now parental controls are off or disabled on your Android phone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily delete or disable parental controls on your Android phone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!